everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I am sharing with you guys something that I'm pretty excited about. I'm going to pass on this deal because I don't need anything. I like to get some stuff during the semi-annual sale, but this is a great deal if you guys need to do gifts or if you just want to, get stuff for yourself. There's also coupons out there that they mail to you, but I used all mine up during the candle sale. Usually there is like a 10 off of 30, which is a great deal. So if you guys want to go ahead and do this for Bath & Body Works tomorrow, for the first time ever, it's all body care for $4.95. It does say a limit of 15, but not every store follows that rule. I mean, you could always ask to do separate transactions if you guys want to go crazy. But yes, that includes, now this is the email that I received, but it includes body wash, body spray, lotion. I think there's bubble bath included, which that actually sounds kind of good. If maybe I can get to the mall, I might try it. But definitely go ahead and do this deal if you guys need any gifts. But yeah, $4.95 is a great price. Now that's actually cheaper, I think, when they do the deals, buy 3 get 3. Usually that means it's like the item's like 50% off. So basically you guys are getting this like a little bit less than 50% off with the buy 3 get 3. So it's a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. But yeah, definitely go ahead, save some money. Let me know if you guys did anything great, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.